Mima? Bye-bye, Mima.
Bye-bye, Mima.
Was Daddy talking to his mama?
No.
Grandma?
No. Bye-bye, Mima.
That's Grandma?
Bye-bye, Mima.
Is Mima Grandma?
Bye-bye, Mima.
Mima.
B.
That's a gnat.
Yeah.
That's a gnat.
B.
Just a gnat.
Yeah. Anna.
Hi, gnat. Gnats are nice.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Say
Nat.
hi, Grandma.
Anina. Me.
Huh?
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Me.
Can you say hi first? Say hi, Grandma.
Daddy.
Yeah. You say bye-bye, Grandma.
Me.
You want to see it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Hi,
Here we go.
Mima. Me.
She's not on there. We're recording a video.
Do you want to see her on there?
Uh-huh.
She'll be here in a couple weeks.
Mima.
Grandma, yeah, she'll be here in a couple weeks.
Oh.
Oh. She's coming to visit.
Me.
You know who else is coming to visit? Papa.
Papa.
Yeah. Say hi, Papa.
Papa. Pizza.
Bye, Papa.
Say bye-bye. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, time to turn off the video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Papa.
Papa.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Papa. Bye-bye. Mama.
No, not Mama. Mima.
Mima.
Grandma.
Bye-bye. Mima.